Right now at 5, the Supreme Court ruled in favor of a small Oregon town effectively allowing cities to ban homeless encampments on public spaces. Thanks for joining us. I'm Marshall Keeley. Fox 43's Matt Kleindens breaks down the ruling and what it could mean for people struggling with homelessness in south central Pennsylvania.
A major ruling on homelessness.
Where are they going to go? And then what is the answer?
In a 6-3 majority, the Supreme Court ruled in favor of Grants Pass, Oregon for enforcing camping bans on public grounds, targeting people struggling with homelessness. Dickinson College president John Jones says justices had to answer whether these encampment bans violate the Constitution.
The contention was that because it called for fines and 30 days imprisonment on repeat offenses, that it violated the 8th Amendment to the Constitution, which prohibits cruel and unusual punishment.
In the majority opinion, Justice Neil Gorsuch wrote that the 8th Amendment does not give judges the job of, quote, assessing those causes of homelessness and devising those responses.
What this gives license to municipalities to do is to criminalize under certain circumstances, sleeping in public property.
I am actually really upset by the response from the Supreme Court.
Isha Mobley is a Harrisburg advocate for people struggling with homelessness and has worked with people living in encampments. She says the ruling would allow people to be moved and punished for sleeping outside without giving them a place to go.
Our shelters are full. Bethesda has been full all summer. I just talked to one of their representatives. They're full. And they said the moment somebody walks out, somebody's literally outside waiting to walk back in.
Mobley says hundreds of people currently live at the encampment near the PennDOT building, which is expected to be cleared out next year for the I-83 expansion project. She says city, county, and state leaders need to come together to help those in need.
I'm just hoping that people do begin to put some pressure on our officials to get some more boots on the ground, to be able to get our people moved and housed, and then they also need continuous services.
Now, in the dissenting opinion, Justice Sotomayor says encampment laws punish people without shelter, arguing homelessness is complex and those who are homeless don't always have control over their situations. She says punishing people for something they can't control is cruel and unusual punishment. Matt Kleindens, Fox 43 News.
All right, Matt, thank you.